Jeppesen is a world-leading provider of aeronautical information. We support all aspects, all parts of the aviation marketplace. We have almost 1 million customers who use this information to operate into every airport around the world.
Jeppesen produces over 60,000 flight charts, and the information on those charts is continually changing, so every week we send out updates to our subscribers. And what that results in is that we print between 10 and 20 million flight charts a week and mail them to 250,000 pilots all over the world. And so last year we printed nearly 1 billion charts.
And today, when we print that in offset printing, we store them in something we call pigeonholes. We're continually taking charts out of those pigeonholes, revising them by hand, and issuing them in our revisions. The biggest challenge we have, for example, is collating. We'll print 50,000 sheets of a particular chart, but we'll combine that with another 100 charts, and finding ways to automate that has always been a huge challenge for us. Well, we have an opportunity to change our business model. And what that looks like is rather than pushing information to our customers, they have the ability to retrieve it when they want. It prints when they need it, and then we send it to them immediately.
We started talking to HP about some type of printing technology, specifically color print on demand, so that we can transform our mass production of paper charts into basically print on demand for our customers, almost a tailored service for all our customers. And fortunately, the Indigo press was really the optimal solution for Jeppesen.
HP is the only provider in the marketplace right now that could give Jeppesen the complete end-to-end solution that it required. It was only HP that could give us all of the front-end support, the production flow, the workflow help, the finishing support that we required. Currently, Jeppesen has 5 HP W3200 presses. On average, we throw out 50 to 60,000 pounds of printed paper every month just based on the changes. Currently, that waste is down to almost nothing because we print on demand, we don't print extra. What we need, we order, and that's what we sell. Through our current inventory of HP 3200 presses, we're producing on a regular basis over 5 million flight charts monthly that are going out to customers around the world. The nature of what we're producing and how critical and how accurate it must be for the pilots flying the aircraft, landing the aircraft, print quality was definitely an important factor for us, and HP delivered that. Many of Jeppesen's charts have terrain depicted on them for elevation changes around airports, and we have a very specific brown Pantone color that we're required to use. Using a 5-color 3200 press, we're able to print our CMYK plus the spot color for our Pantone browns.
We work with 42-gram paper, which is very light, and the 3200 performs perfectly with the lightweight paper. It's great.
The Jeppesen finishing system on the back end of our presses was manufactured by Hunkler and EMT and is very specific to our application. It takes our lightweight stock, does a slit, merge, and punch so that at the back end of our presses we deliver a finished, collated, punched manual.
Printed thousands and thousands of each page, so we'd have 25,000 of this airport and 25,000 of that airport, so it's a lot of manual work, whereas out of the digital press you start, and no matter how many sheets it is, they all come out in the right sequence. And if you check one and it's correct, then everything that's produced after that is guaranteed to be right.
With the new workflow, what we're able to do is truly print on demand. When a customer orders a manual, we print that manual and ship it within 24 hours. Previously, it was 2, 3, 4 days for us to go through those 80,000 pigeonholes and gather up all the charts that were appropriate for that coverage. Under the old processes, we mass-produced flight manuals geographically. Under the new process, as we evolve, we'll begin to deliver custom manuals to each pilot that is specific to his needs and his requirements based on where he flies. The W3200 is an amazing press. It allows us to provide an end-to-end solution to the demanding needs of Jeppesen's customers, not only now, but into the future.
Whether it's print or electronic, HP understands this and is providing us a roadmap to help us get there.